Dive with us into the profound depths of experiences that words often fail to capture as we explore the term ineffable. Ineffable originates from the Latin word ineffabilis, which means that which cannot be expressed. In modern English, ineffable describes something so great, extreme, or overwhelming that it's beyond description in words. Ineffable is an adjective and generally precedes the noun it qualifies. Describing an emotion, ineffable joy. In sentence structure, the beauty of the sunrise was ineffable. The concert concluded with an ineffable performance that left the audience in tears. The view from the mountaintop provided an ineffable sense of wonder. Her talent is of such an ineffable caliber that critics find it hard to describe. Eli was a gifted pianist, known to weave emotions into his melodies. However, there was one composition he played only in solitude, as it evoked ineffable feelings in him, feelings so profound he couldn't share or describe them. One evening, as the sun cast golden hues over the horizon, Eli's close friend, Lena, accidentally overheard this piece from a distance. Drawn to it, she approached Eli's window and listened, captivated. When the last note faded, Lena, with tears in her eyes, walked in. She didn't need words. Her face reflected the ineffable emotions the melody stirred in her. Eli looked at her, realizing that sometimes words aren't needed. Shared ineffable experiences speak a language of their own. From that day on, while Eli still seldom played that piece in public, whenever he did, it was always for Lena, their shared ineffable bond echoing in every note. Ineffable is a word that touches the soul, helping us express the inexpressible. It reminds us that not everything needs to be articulated. Some feelings and experiences are so profound that they exist beyond the realm of words. Embracing ineffable in our vocabulary invites us to recognize and respect the depth and intricacy of emotions and experiences around us.